Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome back to my channel. In the first episode of the Turkish street food series, I covered Lahmacun with all details. In the second episode, I will try Döner and köfte, covering the different types and places where you can eat like a local in touristic places. So let's begin. Okay, next we're gonna taste Döner. Döner is probably the best known Turkish food worldwide. There are many shops in every steps. Maybe you can see it in Istanbul.
Buyurun. Hello, welcome, shawarma, chicken kebab, ekonomi menü, buyurun.
Bak çekme parası alırım ben ona göre.
Ha, ben de reklam parası mı alsam?
Yani.
Nerede ısrar gideceğine bağlı.
YouTube pahalı olur ama. There are many different types. For example, the Bursa city is famous with İskender kebab and they serve it in many restaurants in Istanbul and throughout Turkey. It's a döner kebab over the pide bread with tomato and butter sauce and served with yogurt. And with my easy to follow recipes you can even make at home. Check the links down below. But basically you can make it sandwich and eat it as a street food. And this place, one of the best in Istanbul so far, I have tasted, and it is recommended also by my father because he comes very often to Beyazıt. Once more we're gonna have the döner now. They are here since 1970 and I'm gonna compare the prices from the time I shared 2 years ago. So finally today I had, alhamdulillah, to come here. Bir yarım, bir çeyrek, 2 ayran.
Tamam, bir mi olsun her biri? 1,5 falan, dönerleri fazla olsun yani. Yapın isterseniz döner falan.
Tamam.
Önce bir tane 3 parça 1,5 var.
It got high, but it's normal. There are many things changed since I shared before.
Bir yarım yapalım normal.
You saw the döner. The owner says usually it is finished around 4 p.m. Then they don't sell anymore. They have a small place you can sit down to eat, but it was crowded. And since it's a perfect street food, we ate on the street. Here is our döner. We are with my daughter. I want to try as much as I can today. I'm just gonna take a bite and then show you the next one. Have that one. So let's try. The bread is very soft, fresh. The döner meat with fat, it's really delicious. Same as I eat 2 years ago. And the green peppers makes it more delicious. You can have more döner. They scale it in grams. For us it is enough. But if you like it a lot, if you are like a huge person, maybe you can double the amount and make sure to get ayran. Either you can stop by places you can sit, or what I would recommend, just go to the Garden of Süleymaniye and enjoy your döner. Bosphorus. So now let's go to the next stop. Sorry, Zeynep. Once you get a bite, you want to keep going. Since it is almost for all of the Döners are looks like finished. This is the time I made my live stream on YouTube. I'm gonna leave the link. You can watch the live stream from there if you want. Okay, next stop is this tarihi Özkan köftecisi. It is from 1960s. They only serve köfte or tavuk şiş, which is a good sign that they are good at it. Elinize sağlık. Bir de denemek istesem soda mı katmam lazım? Biraz limon soda diye biliyorum ben.
Bir şey bakmıyoruz.
Ha? Okay, and this is the piyaz. It really makes a nice dish together. Okay. Tamamdır. Ne eti?
Kıyma, dana etinden.
It is only beef. You see this different style, very like springy. Even though they say that it has nothing to do with Sultanahmet köfte style, which is I think almost same with the famous Tekirdağ köftesi. It really reminds me that, and if you want to taste, that one is very close to Sultanahmet area. Traditionally, it is eaten with soft bread. It is very soft, and the salad is white bean salad. When I try, I will add the links down below. I already have many köfte recipes, so stay tuned. And if you haven't yet, just subscribe and press the notification button. We have another famous köfte type in Akçaabat, in the Black Sea coast, Trabzon city. Last year I went there and tasted two of their restaurants that serve Akçaabat köfte. Sarımsak mı var?
Sarımsak ve ekmek.
Evet, yani şey yok, soğan yok.
Soğan yok, hiçbir şey yok. Sadece sarımsak ve ekmek. Başka tuz işte. Baharat olarak da sadece tuz. İnsanlar sadece nankör diyorum. Başka konular ne alakası var? Beni taşıyorsun siyasete, yiyor yemeğinizi.
Ben İstanbul'dan geliyorum, yemeğimi burada yiyorum.
Öyle değilsen ben Belçika'dan geldim.
Var mı arttıran? Now we are cooking the Akçaabat köfte. It has 10% fat in it, 10% bread, garlic, salt, meat and bread. Evde yapabilir miyiz?
Hayvanın dinler yerini kullanıyoruz. Biz onu yapma şansı yok.
It's time to taste. It's very soft. I'm gonna also get from the piyaz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very good. The perfect combination.
Artık babam yiyor çünkü açlıktan öldük.
You cannot stand anymore. Another really delicious Turkish food is to try köfte. Nasıl çıkıyor sesi? Tamam işte.
Evet, salata böyle, kuzu bakalım, pide bakalım böyle.
Another street food would be chicken and rice. I already filmed. Since it's late afternoon, there is not much left. But it's a perfect choice.
Son 2 tane tavuk kalmış.
Maşallah. Son bir dahakine. Sağ ol. Let me show you the one I previously filmed. Very good. It's especially with ayran. You have to buy ayran too. So chicken rice is also famous. You can see it in many places. And I also have the recipe if you want to do it at home. I'm in Hocapaşa area in Sirkeci. This street alone we just passed has many of the dishes you can try. They have pide, köfte, cağ kebab, kuru fasulye pilav, white beans and rice. And also what else? All the kebabs I see. Many of the köfte shops. It is very famous. It's like in one street you can sample many of them here. I just saw my followers again from Morocco. They were lovely. They're eating cağ kebab here. Cağ kebab is basically horizontally stacked marinated rotating lamb kebab variety originating in Erzurum province, Turkey. Hopefully I keep it to another episode to try and review. So when it comes to the sweet, there are many of course, but I'm thinking to share them in a special episode. Button and subscribe. We didn't pray. We did. I thought we didn't pray. You know, it's a long day, and this is it. So another really delicious Turkish food is to try köfte. Biraz yiyeyim çek.